So occasionally you'll need to reprogram the remote control in your CRT vehicle to operate the equipment. That might be because you've lost the remote control or it's broken, you've had to get a new one, or sometimes they do fall out of synchronization and they have to be resynchronized. It's a very, very simple process to resynchronize any remote control to your van. Follow this simple procedure. When you turn on the CRT unit at the front and in the back, you'll see a flashing red light in the top left hand corner of the panel. That will flash for around about 15 seconds. That's your programming window to program this remote control to the vehicle. Once it stops flashing, you've lost your opportunity, so you then need to switch it off and just switch it back on again, and that gives you another flashing red light and another window opportunity. All you need to do now while that's flashing is hold down the green button and the winch up together. Hold those down for about 10 seconds, it's normally enough, and once it's done, the remote should work. There you go, done. So just one word of caution, whenever you are reprogramming one of these remote controls, make sure there aren't any other AA vans in the area, because as you're programming yours to your van, if his red light is flashing, you could start to operate his van with your remote control. So make sure you're on your own.